Understanding design performance is a must to be competitive in today's design world. SOLIDWORKS Simulation 2017 introduced stress hotspot diagnostics. 2018 adds the ability to confirm stress singularities in the same interface, giving the user greater confidence in their simulation results. Many designs begin with part analysis and move quickly to assembly validation. SOLIDWORKS Simulation 2018 can now import simulation setup properties from part and sub-assembly studies, meaning you can spend more time with results and finding the best design options. Another time saver in Simulation 2018 is the redesigned pin connector. Pin connectors can now include up to 10 selection-independent faces, delivering greater power and flexibility in the creation of these connectors. SOLIDWORKS Simulation 2018 speeds the study setup, leaving you more time to study the results, try new options, and create a great design.